Hello, this is Victor at StoryMercedes.com. This video is for my local customer, Eury. This is for you. So, squeaky suspension here in the back. S500 1997, I believe. Okay, so I partially took things off to get to the shut lower mount, and it is seized, unfortunately. So I can show you real quick what's going on here. You should be able to move it, and it is absolutely frozen. Another thing I can try to spin it, and there, barely. This is your sound. If you listen to it, listen, and try to duplicate it. Move this out the way. That squeaking that you hear. That's it, I can't move it to no more. So this is the noise. The worst of all this is that it appears to me that the actual struts, this particular one was replaced. It seems to be a replacement strut because the rubbers are good. It's such a shame that it went bad because of sitting and rust, but unfortunately that's what happens when the car sits or it's in very rusty climate. So that is that. Okay, and another thing is the lower bushing here. I'm trying to, this one right here, that down where the piece points. So that one is pretty bad. Rubbers are completely gone, so I have to replace that. This is how the new one looks, and obviously it's pressed in and pressed out and pressed back in. All right, the lower strut mount insert is installed down in there, and it's ready to go. Now we're going into this bushing, which is absolutely shot, same as the strut. Let me try to make this video. This thing is moving like it's not even there. Well, given that I have a lot of, let me try to lower the jack just to show you better. All right, so here is the bushing in question. As you can see, this one is a gunner. It's moving, and it's terrible. Okay, so the new bushing is pressed in. The new bushing, and here's how the old one looks. This is pretty bad. This is pretty dire situation. So rust all over. It's a shotter. It's a gunner rather. It's shot. Okay, so now basically I have only one issue that I probably will have to deal with, is this dust shield. It's really messed up. It's very rusty, so I hope once I put it back together it's not gonna rub. So we'll see. Once I pack everything back, that will be the last thing. So now I'm going to put suspension back together, lower it down, get it into the openings here, and reattach the sway bar, and then deal with the, well, obviously brake caliper will go back on, and then we'll deal with the dust shield. And that will be all for me for now on this side.